Okay. Go ahead, show me, Pa. That's pretty cool. So carpet strips is to keep the little boogers
Well,
from.
they
Well, they
tried
will
to
go up there and try to.
Yeah,
They did,
try to
even
get
the
through.
strawberries. See down here, here's the strawberries. In there is some melon, not melon.
Onions.
Peppers. Wish you could see that's an onion. And here is peppers, and they're
Yeah.
loving the warmth, so I'm leaving them like that till they get too big.
Yeah.
More zucchinis. But
And
the
then see how they tore the thing trying to get, they ate about 6 strawberries.
You're
I was
kidding.
so upset.
Well, something got into my garden the other day. I still have to patch up that hole.
So
Yeah.
we put the carpet strips on it, and then Paul laughed. He was in the window watching one of them walk on the carpet strip, and it
just drives them insane. It's like they got to get in there, but
Yeah.
they don't know how to get away
Whoa.
oh, and we have a little owl. We
I see that.
we like our strawberries, and we don't want them eating it.
Yeah. Me too.
That solar
I see that.
Turns
thing.
its head every so often.
That's why she said, "Wow."
Yeah, it was moving as you were talking to me. All of a sudden, I started seeing something move. What's that over there? Peas?
Peas.
Spinach.
My peas are doing really good, surprisingly, even as hot as it got.
Really?
Oh yeah.
First I had to
Well, I
pull a
mean,
couple.
I don't have any peas yet, but it's
Yeah.
growing like
We
crazy.
got quite a few peas, but it's if you don't get them right away, they get fat.
Yeah. What's
And
over there?
That's beets and
Yeah.
carrots at the moment.
Yeah.
And then I haven't planted the other side.
Well, how come you have teas in the center, Paul? Were you gonna come down with?
Watch your feet.
Oh no, we had a lot of pipes. See,
So just whatever you had left
He
over.
used a lot of leftover
I
stuff.
gotcha.
I wanted.
He wanted new stuff, and I said, mm-mm.
Yeah. There's no reason. I mean, it does the same job.
Exactly.
And this is how it works. Women think alike, men are totally different. Why do I want to have this thing sticking down there and people go, what is that? Then I have to
don't care what
explain it's
people
my
go.
wife.
People don't go.
Is it, Pa, is it cedar?
What?
Is all the wood cedar?
No.
It's just pine?
It's
Pine, but
kiln dried pine.
How much is that a board?
It's not killed. It's killed drying pine boards. It's $3.29 a board.
A board? For 8 or 10?
8.
But there's
But we put on cedar Thompson's water seal. Just
it's the color cedar.
Yeah.
It's just Thompson's water
Yeah.
cedar.
Okay.
and
But
you can get it in
We
there.
have to garlic.
And
Supposedly.
it doesn't
Oh,
affect
okay.
them at all.
Well, we don't know. We
What?
didn't put it on that one. I only put it on the tomato.
Put it on the
The
raspberries.
tomato worms? Or what?
No, the critters don't like the smell of garlic.
I am not about ready to waste my garlic on a piece of wood.
Oh, you can get a whole jar of it chopped that little at Costco for $5. A big jar. You want me to send it home with it?
No.
You want me
Come
to
on, Landon.
open it? Ready?
Yeah.
Do I have to start over? Do I have to start over?
No.
Oh.
Perfect. Get in there, Landon.
Mark, they're trying to get you to do all that stuff, so be careful.
No, because I don't have any critters. I just think it's pretty ingenious. I don't have any critters that...
Go ahead, sweetheart.
Just pull out the way.
Just pull them up straight. See, that wasn't hard. Look at that. Helping Grandma.
I'll go start slicing some salami.
Okay.
So I know there are so many people that don't have gardens because they live in an area where wildlife is rampant. My parents have an actual, I don't know, probably 4 foot taller wire fencing around their garden area, but it has not kept out the wildlife. The deer jump right over it. The rabbits go through it. And, you know, they didn't want to build a wooden fence to prevent them from seeing the valley or, you know, break up their yard like that. So they wanted to leave it as natural of a habitat as they've been in. However, they wanted to have a garden that they could eat from, and that wasn't providing food for the entire wildlife in the area. So I thought that this was ingenious, and I wanted to share it with you all. And it gave me some really great ideas, especially for my strawberry patch that I'm going to grow next year. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. Have a great day.